Hello guys, this is Gaurav Mavi and today is the next video in which I am speaking English daily to improve my communication skills. Today again I am with my friend Ajay Mavi. He is doing some work over his laptop. He is trying to learn SQL. He is doing his BCA and it is his final year. He is trying to hone his skills. So honed is a good word. You should also make a note of it. Today I got some cold, so I took off from my office and I slept during the day. My dear sister Parul prepared some thala for me. It is called besan ka halwa. It had ingredients like almonds, sudh ghee, and besan, right? So it was some black pepper. So it was very delicious. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and after that I slept for 2 hours, and after that I'm feeling little bit better. Just now I had food. I had fulka and dal. It was really amazing. So he's also watching the India versus West Indies versus Zimbabwe match. West Indies has played really well today, although some drop catches were dropped from Zimbabwe sides. Simran Hetmeyer did a wonderful job. He scored 84 runs in just 30 deliveries. He hit many sixes, and that's where West Indies has posted a mammoth. So mammoth is a new word. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly or not. Mammoth scoreboard of 254, which is impossible for Zimbabwe to chase because they are just three on 20. So it's going to get West Indies is going to get advantage. The net run rate is going to spike up, which is a cause of concern. This is going to be cause of concern for India. So that is going to in this World Cup. India played their match yesterday with South Africa. It's Super 8 matches are going on, in which India was defeated by the Africa with more than 80 runs. So it will be difficult for India to qualify for the semi-final, but yeah, chances are still there. So now I will talk about what we did yesterday. So we went for Gold City Mall. We had fun there. Before that, we went to what do we call, some Mohan Chand something sweets, Madan Lal sweets, and where we had pizza and one pizza and masala dosa. It was very good. We enjoyed it, and we had one diet coke also. After that, we went to mall where we roamed around. It is just fourth floor mall. It was really good to be there. Initially, we thought to buy some books, but there was no discount on the books, so we decided we dropped that idea. And now 3 minutes are over, so I will tell you briefly about the current news. Today I went through the newspaper, and one of the news is Supreme Court judgment. Yes, Supreme Court judgment about Trump administration, about Trump's tariff impose that he did over the other countries, in which one of the statement by the Portuguese Prime Minister is that India should that countries on which this tariff has been imposed, they should form a coalition and to protest against these tariffs. So because of that, so briefly tell you what tariff is. Okay, I am getting a call now. Thank you. I will post this. I will see you tomorrow. So thank you very much for listening me patiently, and keep on working on your communication skills. It was really you will definitely get better. You will improve. You will definitely improve your communication skills. Keep practicing. Bye bye. Thank you.